Well, it's official. The Doggone News has just put out the bulletin. After a massive manhunt of many dedicated hours of investigating, the chicken thief has successfully been apprehended. There she is, apprehended. There's the evidence. She got the chickens. The chicken thief finally apprehended. Officer Yum Yum, Officer Lollipop. Good job, officers. Yum Yum, you're now gonna have to go to the penitentiary for chicken thief. Oh my goodness, look at you arrested. Oh my goodness, do you feel bad for your crimes? I don't know if you do. You guys are pretty? You guys are pretty? Oh my God, but how can I keep, all right. First time in history that the chicken thief gets chicken. Wait, come here, I got more. Come here, I got more. You want more? Piece of pig? Oh, I can take it off. There you go. Oh, look at, that's the true identity. It's Gummy. After all, we didn't even know it was Gummy. Say hi to your friends, Gummy. Say hi, wave. You waving? Good girl. Okay, now everybody gets one. Here's your reward for capturing the chicken thief. You got it? Very, very good. Okay, that's it for today. I hope we made you smile. I hope you feel safer in your homes now that the chicken thief has been captured. Tag a friend. Help us make another person smile today. Because happiness starts with a smile. Have a good day. Say bye. Say bye, Gummy. Say bye. Wait, bye. Good girl.